In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MetaTrader 5 with Exness. We'll walk through getting set up, logging in, confirming market data, placing your first order, and keeping an eye on your trades, all in a clear, beginner-friendly way. First, create an Exness trading account and make sure you select MetaTrader 5 as your chosen platform. Head to the broker's website, complete the registration, and open a trading account. When that's done, you'll receive 3 key details: your account number, your trading password, and the server name, such as Exness Real or Exness Demo. Keep these safe, because you'll use them to connect MT5 to your account. If you're new to trading, choosing a demo server is a great way to practice without risking real funds. Next, download MetaTrader 5 to your device. You can install it on Windows or Mac, or grab the mobile app for Android or iOS. After downloading, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. If you're on mobile, simply install from the official App Store listing. Always use official sources to avoid lookalike apps. Now, log into MT5 using your Exness credentials. Open MetaTrader 5, then go to File and select Login to Trade Account. Enter your account number in the Login field, your trading password in the Password field, and choose the exact server name provided by Exness. Click Login. If everything matches, you'll see your account connect and your balance appear at the bottom. If it doesn't connect, double-check that the server is correct and that there are no extra spaces in your login details, and confirm you have a stable internet connection. To verify that market prices are streaming, open the Market Watch window by pressing Ctrl+M. Inside that panel, right-click and choose Show All. You should now see a full list of instruments. Common examples include EURUSD, GBPUSD, and XAUSD for gold, with prices updating in real time. If prices aren't moving, make sure you're connected and that the market for that instrument is open. When you're ready to place a trade, right-click any symbol in Market Watch and select New Order. Set your lot size, then define a stop loss and take profit to manage risk and lock in targets. Choose Buy or Sell based on your analysis. Your active position will appear in the Trade tab at the bottom, where you can see price, profit, and other details. Finally, monitor your activity inside MT5. Open trades are listed in the Trade tab, while closed trades and statements are in the History tab. You can also review balance and equity and analyze charts using indicators and multiple timeframes to refine your decisions.